Um, so Cynthia Oliver, the timing between the dancers, the music, and the speaking, the words, the text is what that says. So in the beginning, the music was sounded like a 4/4. I could be totally wrong about that, but it was very consistent. One tone ish. There were only like three tones. It was repetitive, the same thing over and over again, and consistent. It was kind of a metronome for the first like 3 minutes. The movement was very much linked to the text and the way that she was speaking. When she had a lot of inflection with a word, they would emphasize a movement, but the movement never seemed to stop. They might not have been actually moving, but they were always growing, which added intensity and just a different dynamic that was nice to see. About 3 minutes in, the music changes and bells. It sounds like there are bells in the music, which right after the bells begin to ring in the music, then the words following begin to speak of church bells, which made a lot of sense. And the movement still remained very almost placed, but always growing, which, like I said, was really nice. Stop saying sorry. When as the dancers continue to move through the piece, the music begins to pick up, and it's almost as if they were in church and celebrating the Lord, and the movement begins to pick up, and they make a lot of noises with their feet, which is African style. It's not something I have a lot of experience with, but I enjoy watching it and being able to take it in and look at it. It's very interesting. Then about 8 minutes in, the music stops, the dancing is continued in silence. The text is on pause for a little bit, and the dancers move in silence, and it's really nice to hear them breathing. It's not music, it's not text, it's just audible breathing. It's really nice. They move slowly, calmly, fluidly. They stop moving, but they're always growing. It's kind of really cool. And then the music picks up again, and no, the woman starts speaking again, and she talks about losing a loved one dying, and the words and the movement both just show the longing and what is the word that I use because I really liked it? Oh, dang. Okay, I guess I didn't write it down. Just the longing and desire that they have for this love of theirs to be back in their life. And the ending is very party-like. The music picks up. It's very vernacular movement and kind of really upbeat and kind of really nice, really fun. The entire piece altogether just seemed like the story of somebody's life, starting with war and ending with a party, which is how we all want to end and go out, is with a party. So yeah, I really enjoyed the piece. I thought it was very successful and gorgeous.